Hi, I'm Joe, and I've got one of the secrets of the universe for everyone today. This is a pumice stone. It's a rock. But at the same time, it's a rock that floats. I know it doesn't seem like much, but it's one of the important parts about the planet we live on, is that the continental crust that we're all on is actually comparatively lighter to most other materials on the Earth. For instance, if this was the Earth, here we are on the continent. Here in the center, and farther down, be solid iron. The center of the Earth's made of solid iron, which, it's pretty heavy and dense stuff. But here we are floating along the mantle of the Earth. So, it's important to know we're floating along the Earth, on its mantle, on the continental rocks. But, at the same time, it's not just one rock that we're living on. It's a lot of different layers. Here we have some nice jello, which I just made. But if we're going to go out and put a few more layers on this, like maybe a peach, or maybe a lemon, well, these should be younger than what we put on right here. Because as we go up, it gets more recent. Then when we go down, that's when I added things later and later. So rocks can tell us a lot about the Earth itself, and the Earth at a given point in time along this continuum, or what we might call a geologic column. But a geologic column of jello. Additionally, the jello or rock's going to have a lot of different characteristics depending on what kind of rock or jello it is. And if it's at a point in time and it's a sedimentary rock, it'll have different kinds of animals preserved in it. For instance, down here, if we want to say this is age of the dinosaurs or the Mesozoic, we'll find a lot of reptiles. But we won't find any big mammals, since mammals don't become the dominant life forms on the planet until much, much later up here in the geologic column. So remember, rocks tell us the history of the Earth and our place in that history.